Unlike many chefs, the reason why I wanted to become a chef, I have a very different story. I grew up in a place where I don't have access to a good food, so I always tell myself that yes, one day I'm going to eat good food and I'm going to make good food. My father passed away when I was a very tender age. I had 3 siblings and my mother could not take care of the 3. I ended up in an orphanage. I hardly have a memory of spending time with my father and my mother. So I have decided, yes, I have to spend as much time as possible with my kids and family now, so that my kids will have a memory of me. I love spending time with my family. I love playing with my kids, and then I love cooking together with my wife. I used to surprise by going and receiving once they come back home, skating together, maybe a supper together. We do karaoke, jam session together. Everything together. My inspiration is always my mother. Another pillar is my wife. She financed me, took me for a trip to Thailand to see how Thai food actually are. We explored street food, we explored restaurant food, and then it was a great help for me and a great learning, and and it enhanced my skill, knowledge, and my love for Thai food.